For this problem, I would recommend using quadratic formula. Our C on this one is 0 because there is no constant term at the end here. So let me put the formula here for you. So opposite of B, so negative 20 plus or minus 20 squared minus 4 times 0 all over 2 times 4. Square root of 400 is 20. Because this is a 400 minus a 0 up here, I should have added that. So we've got x equals negative 20 plus 20 over 8, which is 0 over 8, which is 0. And then we have x equals negative 20 minus 20 over 8, so that's negative 40 over 8, so a negative 5. So D is the correct answer.